No, no, I don't.
Do this, please.
I don't keep bats in my room, buddy.
You got like some like a Okay, get everything out of my way right now. Let's Oh God, Sarah. Oh, there's a butcher right in front of me. Aren't you? Okay. Now it's time for the drug test. Oh yeah. Yeah. I did it. Your turn, Sierra.